To add a Stripe payment gateway to a WordPress website, start by signing into your WordPress account and navigating to the website where you want to integrate the payment system. From there, go to the Plugins section and search for Stripe Payments. The desired plugin is a free option that allows you to accept Stripe payments on your WordPress site. Once you've located the plugin, click on it to initiate the installation process, noting that you may need to upgrade your WordPress plan to complete the installation. After the plugin is installed, sign into your Stripe account and choose from a variety of pre-made payment form templates to begin collecting payments. The process is straightforward, and payments will be directed into your Stripe account from your WordPress website. The entire process is relatively easy to use, making it a convenient way to collect payments online.